Hey everyone, my name is Kevin, and I'm here to audition for Harks Harry Potter Tabletop. So, a little bit about myself. I did audition for one of Hark's campaigns before, Dragon Age Season 2, um, and I ended up getting a spot on that campaign, lucky enough, though I was the token boy, as Hark said. um, but I played Cedric Ashwood, a Templar, and I met some amazing people in that campaign. People who I still play with today, and I'm actually GMing a game for many of them. Uh, Hello, if you guys are watching this. I hope not, because I'm super awkward and I forgot how nerve wracking this is. um, but yeah, so I've also been playing tabletop games for 6, maybe 7 years. I've lost count now. But Hark really opened my eyes to the tabletop world. When I first learned that was more of like a dungeon crawl, like you build for combat and you just go in and kill things, get new loot. But then I watched his season one, Dragon Age season one campaign, and it really opened my eyes to that there is way more to this game than what I had previously thought. And I never looked back since. I've been a role playing fiend for many years. So enough about me. More about my character. His name is Pitt. I want to play a recently freed house elf. Um, so, being recently freed, Pitt will be a little bit more eccentric. Like, for example, his clothing. Normally, they wear rags. So I can see him trying out different styles of clothing, different things. Trying to find out who Pitt is and what he really likes. Um, I also see him being very curious and wanting to explore. So meet new people, see new things, being cramped up inside the house, just serving his masters or whatever. Uh, Probably just sparked his sense of adventure even more. Um, House elves are innately magic; they're born with it. So I see him as being very curious about magic as well. So that would be a tie-in for him to try and join a wizarding school, whether they have him or not. As to which wizarding school, I haven't really decided. Really, any wizarding school will do. Uh, I'm not sure if they'll even accept him or not, but I can see him at least trying to get into a wizarding school. If I had to pick right now, it would probably be the Japanese school, just because when you explain that Hark, it was really, really something. Um, but yeah, so that's pretty much my character. He's very eccentric. He's very curious about the world outside and his magic. I wish I had a picture for you, but every time I search half elf or house elf pictures, I just get a lot of pictures with Dobby, and I'm just gonna have to figure something else out, like maybe Photoshop Dobby pictures or something. I don't know, but that'll be for later. But yeah, that's my pitch. Um, I just wanted to say real quick to anyone who are to everyone who auditioned, congratulations. You made your first big step, and I know that it can be nerve wracking, or just putting yourself out there can be hard. But trust me, it's worth it. This is a great community, and I'm sure you guys are already getting lots of love. Um, and if you do manage to get into the campaign, congratulations. The people that you meet, and the people that you play with, uh, you'll make a lot of friends, and uh, the friendships will last. At least mine did, and I only have positive things to say about Hark and his community. To all of those who want to audition, I highly recommend it. Like I said, this community is great. If you're nervous, don't be. Uh, we're just here to have fun, and I look forward to seeing all of your auditions and everything. So that's pretty much all I have. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Go Hufflepuff. Bye, guys.